So my role here at Nidec Drives is the warehouse and distribution manager. So one of the challenges here at the UK manufacturing site was our material movement of raw. Because the site's at 3 different levels, we didn't have any interlink automation between them. So everything had to be done manually, outside or inside. We had to find a more efficient way of moving material around the site, and the conveyor project was key to that. So in the early days of the project, we were talking to multiple vendors and working out who would be the best to take the project on. And we worked out that Invar, through their dialogue and their interaction with us, were by far the best suppliers who will work with us.
I'm Sham Jama, and I'm the project manager at Invar Group. Invar Group is the leading independent integrators of warehouse automation systems. I looked after all the installation of the conveyor systems and also the lifts, so get it all together from start to finish.
So by introducing 3 lifts and a conveyor system, we can send material from any point in the factory to the other points in the factory by the press of a button, whereas that used to be material movement by forklift or operators moving around the shop floor.
We took the opportunity to use the Nidec Drives because we had everything in-house, the parts was in-house, and also the support was in-house as well, so everything was more efficient. The drives are the key, because without the drives we wouldn't be able to use the lifts. We had one of your engineers on site holding our hands if we needed or making everything smooth, so we didn't feel any issues or any delays in that aspect.
So we're using the Digitex HG and the UniDrive M drives to power the conveyor. By introducing the conveyor, we've introduced a number of efficiencies. The conveyor only runs when it needs to. It does switch off when it's not in operation. So we don't move in bulk anymore. We move just what we need, just when we need it. And that gives people the confidence that our raw material and parts will be where they need them, when they need them. Yeah, so as the conveyor was rolled out to all the employees and we started training the whole team on it, the general feedback is really positive. They can trust what's coming to them, and their efficiencies in their areas have definitely improved. So the conveyor is one element of site-wide projects that are ongoing to make the whole factory more efficient. Continuous improvements a key element. It was the first link on our road to possibly introducing AMR and AGV as well into the factory to take us again to the next level of automation.
It was all done to the help of Nidec as a team. They made us feel at home and work quicker or easier from the day we started all the way across. They were very helpful. We had, I think this project even, we finished it slightly earlier because everything was running smooth.
The relationship we had with Invar prior to them coming onto site and post being on site was really good. Their project management team were really helpful with any requirements that we made along the way. Any changes we needed to make, they were really responsive to that and made sure that everything was functioning well when they eventually finished the project.
I think this is maybe the start of long future with Nidec and future projects. So it's a good relationship, I would say. We've got hopefully a support contract coming, so we'll help them out for the future. We've got a service plan and they've got an on-call with us as well. So hopefully we won't we'll be here for a long time, hopefully.